Здравствуйте! Today we learn how to ask how are you in Russian. How are you in Russian is как дела? Как дела? And a little bit faster. Как дела? Как дела? This a at the end is stressed. And make sure this как, you make it voiced. Как g. You see, it turns to g. Как дела? Как дела? How are you? Just make sure that in Russian culture, it is not the equivalent of hello, like in English. Hi, how are you? Hi, how's it going? How are you doing? In this small talk kind of a situation, you don't do that in Russian. In Russian culture, this is a genuine question when you actually having a real conversation with a person. So when you're ordering a coffee, don't ask как дела of the barista because it's a little bit too personal in Russia. Okay, so you can just say здравствуйте and that would be enough. No small talk as much as, let's say, in American culture. So как дела? How are you in Russian? That was officially the shortest lesson ever, I suppose. So tomorrow we will learn how to respond to как дела in 3 different ways. So stay tuned and press like under this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn Russian properly. Всё, пока-пока!